Robin. Robins are small birds that hop and sing sweet melodies. They build nests with twigs and grass. Robins have a keen eye for spotting worms and insects, their favorite meal. Eagle. Eagles are magnificent birds of prey with strong wings and sharp talons. They have excellent eyesight and can spot prey from high above. Eagles build large nests on cliffs or tall trees. Blue jay. Blue jays are striking blue birds with white and black markings. They are known for their noisy calls and curious nature. Blue jays hide food in the ground to eat later. Cardinal. Cardinals are vibrant red birds with crests on their heads. They bring joy with their beautiful songs and brighten up gardens and forests. Cardinals are monogamous birds and often stay with the same mate for life. Owl. Owls are nocturnal birds that hunt at night. They have special feathers that allow them to fly silently and catch prey by surprise. Owls can rotate their heads almost all the way around to see in all directions. Falcon. Falcons are swift and agile birds of prey. They have a hooked beak and powerful talons to catch birds and small animals in midair. Falcons can reach incredible speeds while diving to catch their prey. Hawk. Hawks are skilled hunters with keen eyesight. They soar high in the sky, using thermal air currents to glide effortlessly. They pounce on rodents and small birds with great precision. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the tiniest birds and can hover in the air by rapidly flapping their wings. They love to sip nectar from bright and colorful flowers using their long, slender bills. Goldfinch. Goldfinches are small yellow birds with black and white wings. They adore eating seeds from sunflowers and thistles. Goldfinches create cozy nests made of plant fibers and spider silk. Duck. Ducks are water-loving birds that quack instead of singing. They have webbed feet, which makes them excellent swimmers. Ducks come in many colors and sizes and can be found in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Goose. Geese are large water birds with long necks and V-shaped flight formations during migration. They honk loudly and are often seen grazing in fields near water. Crane. Cranes are tall, elegant birds with long legs and necks. They perform elaborate courtship dances, leaping and bowing to attract mates. Cranes can fly thousands of miles during their yearly migrations. Mockingbird. Mockingbirds are exceptional mimics. They can imitate the songs of other birds, car alarms, and even human voices. They are often seen perched on treetops and fences. Bluebird. Bluebirds are small, gentle birds with bright blue feathers. They are a symbol of happiness and hope. Bluebirds build nests in tree cavities or birdhouses. Crow. Crows are highly intelligent and adaptable birds. They have glossy black feathers and use tools to find food. Crows are great problem solvers and have complex communication among their groups. Chickadee. Chickadees are small birds with distinctive black caps on their heads. They have a cheerful chick-a-dee-dee-dee call and can be easily spotted at bird feeders. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers have strong beaks designed for drumming on trees to find insects. They have stiff tail feathers that act as a support while climbing tree trunks. Nightingale. Nightingales are known for their beautiful songs, especially during the night. They have brown feathers with hints of red and are highly admired for their enchanting melodies. Blackbird. Blackbirds are common birds with shiny black feathers. They are excellent singers and often sing from tree branches or rooftops. Pelican. Pelicans are large water birds with a big pouch under their beaks to catch fish. They are excellent divers and plunge into the water from high above to catch their meals. Warbler. Warblers are colorful birds that sing happily during spring and summer. They flit among trees and bushes, searching for insects to eat. Loon. Loons are excellent swimmers and divers. They have a haunting, eerie call that echoes across lakes. Bunting. Buntings are small birds with colorful feathers. They love to eat seeds and insects and can be found in meadows and grasslands. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are expert fishermen. They dive into the water to catch fish with their sharp beaks. Wren. Wrens are tiny birds with perky tails. They build nests in all sorts of places, from tree cavities to hanging baskets. Killdeer. Killdeer are shorebirds known for their killdeer call. They lay their eggs on the ground and pretend to be injured to distract predators from their nests. Snipe. Snipes are shy and elusive birds found in marshes and wetlands. They have long bills used to probe for insects in the mud. Merganser. Mergansers are diving ducks with thin, serrated bills for catching fish underwater. They paddle swiftly on the surface and dive when they spot prey. Avocet. Avocets have long legs and a unique upturned bill. They wade in shallow water, swishing their bills side to side to catch small aquatic creatures. Pipit. Pipits are small birds that walk on the ground and sing sweetly while flying. Lark. Larks are famous for their joyful songs, which they sing while hovering high in the sky. Quail. Quails are small, plump birds that run on the ground and can fly short distances. They lay eggs in shallow nests on the ground. Bittern. Bitterns are heron-like birds known for their excellent camouflage in reedy wetlands. Bobwhite. Bobwhites are quail-like birds with a distinctive bob-white call. Kinglet. Kinglets have a crown-like mark on their head. They flit quickly through trees to catch insects. Puffin. Puffins are adorable seabirds that swim underwater with their wings. They nest on rocky cliffs. Sandpiper. Sandpipers run along the beach, pecking at insects in the sand. Flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds with pink feathers and long, skinny legs. They live in lakes with shallow water. Sparrow. Sparrows are common birds with a cheerful song. They are found in cities, gardens, and parks. Albatross. Albatrosses are large seabirds with impressive wingspans. They glide gracefully over the ocean, sometimes covering thousands of miles in one journey. Toucan. Toucans are colorful birds with big, colorful bills. They live in tropical rainforests. Pheasant. Pheasants are beautiful birds found in forests and fields. Males have colorful feathers used for courtship displays. Seagull. Seagulls are beach birds that squawk and love to eat fish and scraps. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can mimic human speech and sounds. Swan. Swans are elegant water birds with long, graceful necks. They glide gracefully on the water. Penguin. Penguins are adorable, flightless birds that swim in the icy waters of the Antarctic. They waddle on land but are incredible swimmers.